Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Matching Snacks.
We're gonna cook some food for you guys. This is one of our, I guess you could call it our favorite thing to make.
Basically. We make this a lot. Stuffed mushrooms, guys. We're making some cheddar, feta, bacon bit stuffed mushrooms.
We got those real bacon bits this time. We ain't no cheap fucks.
Yeah, and we actually got some Portobello mushrooms too, which are gonna be sick. This is actually, I think, our first time doing Portobello mushrooms, so I looked up online how to do it. But yeah, like it's gonna be a lot better than just regular mushrooms, I'm thinking. Let's get into it.
So we got some real bacon bits. Sam Downey, how do those look?
Man, they look pretty damn good. Yeah, we just made some bacon and we crushed it up. You can use fake bacon bits too, like you can use like the artificial ones, but like, you know, we like to use the real thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
And then for our cheese selection, we got some feta. And
then what else we got here?
Sam Downey, tell them why we use cheddar.
Yeah, we got a bunch of cheddar cheese here. Now, the reason why you want to use cheddar cheese, guys, the reason why you want to use cheddar cheese is because cheddar cheese melts the best. It stays firm. Basically, I find we tried mozzarella one time, man, and like it just didn't stay firm.
Oh, and the last step, of course, our base. We got that Philadelphia.
Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. So basically what we're going to do, guys, we're going to mix all these ingredients right here. Not that ingredient, but these four here, we're going to mix them all in that bowl there. Save a little bit of the cheddar cheese though, because you want to put that on top after too. You want to put a little bit in there, but also you want to save a bunch for on top. Man, that thing's like fucking alien-like. Holy shit.
I'd say like half a cup. I was thinking about it earlier.
I don't have the actual measured amounts for anything, guys, but like, you know, you'll figure it out after a while.
When we use the brick, we use half a brick. All right, so next we're gonna toss in our bacon bits.
Bacon.
And then we got some feta. We're gonna throw some in, so you're gonna
throw some cheddar in. Don't be shy, guys, with the cheddar. Cheddar it up.
So you're gonna do that on one.
It's like a fucking gun. Holy shit. Like
you're just gonna mix it up. You're gonna get everything. Your cream cheese will go in your blades. Work with it.
I think we got the mix ready. Holy shit. That looks good.
Easier.
Basically, guys, it's my favorite part now. Fill in the mushies. We gotta fill the mushies with the shit. We gotta fill it up. So basically now Steph's gonna fill up the mushies. Keep in mind too, we usually do these with just regular mushrooms too. So if you wanted to try with regular mushrooms, 100% go for it. Basically all you do is with cooking them, you do 350 for 30 minutes. These ones basically...
This is a first for us. We make burgers in Portobello.
Yeah. So basically this one... It's going to be 350 for 10 minutes with just the Portobello mushrooms, and you take them out, then you stuff them, then you're going to put them in for 25 minutes at about 350, 375. So now, guys, we got them filled. We got those mushroom stuff. Now, basically, we're going to go on to our favorite ingredient right here, PANKO breadcrumbs. You're going to sprinkle a little bit on top of each one. You know, just give it a little more crispiness to them.
And now we're going to go in with our leftover.
Yeah, you're going to fill the top, so just cheese. Spread it all over the top. Don't be afraid to put a lot on, you know, you want it to be cheesy. And now it's time to just put it in the oven, honestly. Alright guys, thanks for coming back with us. Welcoming, yeah. So we got these stuffed mushrooms, Portobello stuffed mushrooms, guys.
Shit.
Holy crap, we're gonna try them out. Holy. So basically we got cheddar cheese in there, cream cheese, bacon bits, and feta.
And a mushroom.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like a full, like, burger-sized mushroom. Man. These are bomb. Super easy to make. Always impresses. And it's honestly, they're easy not to fuck up too. Like they're pretty easy to make.
You put cream cheese in a mushroom.
Yeah, you can literally put whatever you want in it. You don't need really any kind of cheese works really. Best I find is cheddar, but any cheese works. All you need is cream cheese and a mushroom and some toppings. What do you think of them, Steph?
That was so fucking good.
Well, guys.
We'll snap these because it is matching socks.
Matching socks. Gotta
I'll
have
drink
a
those
drink.
mushrooms. Those are a success. Cheers.
Cheers. Well, guys, make sure to tune in every Monday for new videos. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, guys. Follow us on Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
At Matching Socks Band. We post highlights and full videos there. Tune in next week.
For another matching socks.
Yeah.
Yay. Thank you guys so much. We really hope you enjoy this.
Peace.
Try it at home.